next we are taking here the structure of anther. Structure of anther. कि एंथर के स्ट्रक्चर में कौन कौन सी लेयर्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं और उन लेयर्स का क्या इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. तो यहाँ पर हम एक स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं फॉर द एंथर. दिस एंथर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर, दैट इज द सिंगल लेयर which is named as the epidermis. It is the protective layer present externally. First layer is named as the epidermis. This epidermis is present outside. It is single layered and protective in nature. प्रोटेक्शन का काम करती है. दिस इज द एपिडर्मिस. Inner to this epidermis there is present the second layer which is named as the endothesium. We are drawing here the endothesium layer inner to the epidermis. This is the endothesium. This endothesium is thin outside and thick in the radial walls. Means inside walls में ये thick होती है, तो इसको हम इस तरह से show कर सकते हैं. It has the thickening and this thickening is due to the presence of alpha cellulose fiber. Callose bands are also present here. These are the radial walls which are showing thickness. So this layer is known as the endothesium layer. This endothesium is the second layer. Endothesium. It is present inner to epidermis. Epidermis के अंदर की तरफ प्रेजेंट होती है. इट इज थिन आउटसाइड, बाहर से थिन, एंड थिक इन रेडियल वॉल्स. रेडियल वॉल्स में थिक होती है इन रेडियल वॉल्स. एंड द थिकनिंग इज ड्यू टू अल्फा सेल्यूलोज फाइबर की यहाँ पर थिकनिंग्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्टिव इन नेचर. वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया था, दैट इज द स्टोमियम. स्टोमियम इज द पॉइंट विच इज नोन एज द लाइन ऑफ dehiscence. That is the line of dehiscence from which after maturity the pollen grains will release, and this line of dehiscence not have any types of thickenings. Means एंडोथेशियम इस स्टोमियम वाले पार्ट में प्रेजेंट नहीं होती, और उससे क्या हेल्प मिलती है कि जो एंडोथेशियम है वहां प्रेजेंट नहीं है, इसलिए स्टोमियम जो है वो रप्चर हो जाएगा और वहां से पोलन ग्रेन्स जो है वो बाहर आ जाएंगे. सो नियर द स्टोमियम एंडोथेशियम इज एब्सेंट. Third layer in the structure of anther is the middle layer. This middle layer is approximately 2 to 3 layers thick. This is the middle layer, and this middle layer is approximately 2 to 3 layers. We are drawing here only the 2 layers. This is the second layer of the middle layer. This is the middle layer. This middle layer, third is the middle layer. It is 2 to 3 layered structure, 2 to 3 layered, made up of parenchymatous cells. पेरेन्काइमेटस सेल्स का बना हुआ होता है एंड इट हैज द स्टोर्ड फूड मैटर इन इट. स्टोर्ड फूड प्रेजेंट इन इट. इसमें स्टोर्ड फूड होता है जो स्पोरोजिनस टिश्यू में जो पोलन मदर सेल्स है उन्हें नरिश करने का काम करेगा. ऑल these three layers are protective in function, so it provide protection as well as it provide the food. Now the next layer, inside this there is present, this is the sac, and in this sac there is present many more pollen mother cells, and collectively these cells are known as the sporogenous tissue. These are the cells of the sporogenous tissue consisting of all nucleus. This is the structure. This is known as the sporogenous tissue, and this structure is known as the pollen sac. And outside to the pollen sac and inside to the middle layer there is present a special layer which is named as tapetum. So let me draw the tapetum. This is the tapetal layer, and this tapetal layer is highly nutritive, which provide nutrition to each and every sporogenous tissue. And these tapetal layer have dense cytoplasm as well as the multinucleate condition. This is known as the tapetum. Now the fourth layer is tapetum. This tapetum present inner to middle layer के अंदर की तरफ present होती है and provide nutrition to pollen mother cell. pollen mother cell को nutrition provide करने का काम करती है, and this is having the dense cytoplasm and multinucleate condition. Why the multinucleate conditions are present here? In the initial stages the uninucleate conditions will be there, single nucleus वहां present होता है, लेकिन after the endomitosis free nuclear division होगा और उस free nuclear division के बाद they become the multinucleate और वो multinucleate condition develop कर लेती हैं, due to which they can nourish all the sporogenous tissue present in the pollen sac. pollen sac में present every pollen mother cell को nourishment provide करने का काम करता है. Many more functions of the tapetums are most important thing function. First is the provide nourishment to the pollen mother cell. Second, helps in formation of pollen kit. The structure present in the pollen grains of the entomophilous flower, means insect pollinated flowers के जो pollen grains होती हैं उनमें एक structure present होता है जिसे हम pollen kit कहते हैं, उसकी formation भी tapetum से होती है. pollen kit को हम आगे discuss करेंगे. Third function is the formation of the sporopollenin. That sporopollenin is the highly resistant organic material that is found in the outer layer of the pollen grain, and this sporopollenin is also provided by this tapetum. Now next is the tapetum is of two types. One is amoeboid tapetum and second is the glandular tapetum. We can write here types of tapetum. Two types of tapetum is there. First is named as amoeboid tapetum and second is named as the glandular or secretory the structure of anther.